Now let's move further and try to deal with few more terminologies similar to the traditional programming, and then we'll jump onto the modular structure of Node. So few more basic program will create here. So I'll add one more file named 11.js, and let's perform some switch case operations here. For performing the switch case operation in Node, we have switch and case statement similar to the C language. So for doing it, where, let's take an example. I have took one variable, say today. I want to extract today's date. So I'll do that using the date dot get day. So new date dot get day will extract the day and store the value into today. It means that it will check the current date. From the current date, it will extract the day. If it is Sunday, today will have the value 0. If it is Monday, the value in today will be 1, and so on. So now let's declare one variable to hold some value, and let's do switch case. Switch according to today and perform case. If case is 0, then put value in day as Sunday and break. So here what you can do is you can apply the termination using semicolon. It's optional, not at all compulsory. So let's break it. Case 1, put the day value as Monday and break. Case 2, day as day. Put the break. Case 3, and so on. Day equals Wednesday. Break is for day break. Case 5, days. And that is, let's break it. And last one, that is case 6, day equals Saturday. And let's break it, or even not necessarily, we'll jump out of it. And console.log print the day. Save the application and try to run it, this switch case application. So I'll write node 11.js, and since it is Saturday, it will print the value Saturday here. So that is one more statement, switch case statement in Node.js. Stay tuned for more upcoming sessions. Thank you.